Hello guys, welcome back to the Hobby Farm. Today, or tonight I should say, it's about 7:30. We are going to get our chickens ready. They're going to bath them tomorrow morning, but we got to pick the best 6 out of all these and get them marked. We'll probably tie a little string around their leg right now. And then they'll bath them up in the morning. Then also we got to, what do you want, Oscar? Huh? Kitty, kitty, kitty. Alright. And then we'll get the best 4 turkeys out. And I don't know so much marking those. See if we can. Some of them are getting kind of vicious. But we definitely can't take him because he's a gobbler. And probably that one will go. And then that one. And I would probably say that one over there. And then one of these 3 right here, probably that one. But I would say that one and that one will actually go. So, but we're gonna go back here and check out the chickens and get those situated. My daughter will check them out and then we'll mark them. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Right. Where did it go?
This way. Yep. This one, no, nice one.
Was that wrong? Yes, I didn't mean it.
Be mean. Jeez. Put its head towards your legs. It's alright, no fire at you. Oh, this one's
Right, yeah.
this one. Here, give me it.
I want to do one.
Yeah.
He's a big boy.
He's long, wider.
I can see it.
Wait,
He's
I wanna
huge.
feel him. Yeah, but see, he goes with my other pen.
He's huge.
All right, put the dark gray string on him. You'll have to make that decision.
I got this one down.
I really nice birds this year. I've never had
Daddy.
nice birds like this.
Wait, we're not even ready.
Hey.
Easy.
Oh, no.
Get ya?
Yep. Take it in my hair. Put that in my hair.
Did it?
Right there.
Oh yeah, and behind here. Hold on, let me see if I can get some stuff. Well, that was kind of disgusting. That one just pooped all over us. We just got to find one more, and once we're done, I'll get back with you guys. All right, guys, we got them all marked, turkeys and chickens. So the next video will be them bathing them and getting them ready, putting them in the cages and taking them to the junior fair. So I'll catch you guys on the next one.
Yeah.